today I'm going to show you guys how to turn an ordinary bottle into some fairy dust. So I pulled a fun-shaped bottle from my bottle collection. This one had a round cork that I liked. And then I got some cookie sugars. You can mix colors if you want to, but I decided to use just the purple because it looked the most magical to me. So I took a piece of paper and I made a little funnel. And then I just very carefully dumped the sugar through the funnel into the jar until I had it filled up to the level that I wanted. And then I replaced the cork. Took a scrap of blue ribbon and tied that in a nice bow around the neck of the bottle. Then I cut the ribbon ends to size. Then I went to my gem collection, my plastic gems, and I went through them until I found one that I really liked. Put a little bit of glue on the back of it and stuck that on the center of the bow. Then I took a piece of cardstock, measured it to size, and rounded the corners so it would fit right on the front of the bottle. I put a little bit of metallic gold paint on a sponge and dabbed that all over the piece of cardstock. Then I took a silver marker and wrote fairy dust on it with a little swirl underneath it. Put a little bit of glue on the back of that and stuck that right on the front of the jar. Then I took some silver puffy paint and I put that all the way around the label where the label connected to the glass to hide the seam. And then I took some silver cookie sugar and I used a piece of paper to kind of help direct that and sprinkled that all over the puffy paint, shook off the excess, and I found that cookie sugar is about 1,000 times easier to clean up than glitter. And so then here is the finished fairy dust bottle. Again, you can mix any colors of cookie sugar you want. I just used the purple because it looked magical. So we'll just set that back on the shelf with all the other potions.